Hey, this is Johnny here. This is about 2:02. Somebody just pulled the fire alarm, so the whole convention center is being evacuated at this time. This is really interesting.
So where are you right now? Where are you right now? That's never happened before. Totally, that's never happened.
Who would pull an alarm like this? Yeah, this is going to turn out real well. Angie, go to the hotel room ASAP. Don't stick around the convention center. Go back to the room ASAP. Huh? Hey Mom, guess what? There's a fire. No, not that. We're gonna be screwed over next year. The building itself, I don't think it's whose idea is this to pull a fire alarm with 20,000 people plus at the same time?
I just got a call from my brother. He said he thought you saw the person who did it.
Oh.
He just like filed to a fire extinguisher. Like, big red sign, like, do not go through the door.
Yeah.
You have to imagine, if it says do not exit, we will evacuate the entire building.
And with this alarm will sound.
And like, fresh art here, $5. Separated.
Oh my God, no!
Come on.
Sorry. Line up.
Holy crap! That's a whole bunch of people. I was in the dealer's room working. Apparently, we heard the alarm sounded. We didn't know what to do, so I guess they're evacuating everybody.
Oh my God.
Holy crap! This is awesome. This is ridiculous. Once again, this is Johnny here at on-site Otakon 2010. It is mass chaos here. My God.
Closest thing I'll ever get to arrive.
This is the closest thing. This is worse. I was more worried about Manchester United. Yeah.
Okay,
We gotta cross the street. Yeah.
It's a good thing that the side imagine Otakon 2011 would not be happening. You know how much
Mass chaos. Angie, where you at? The hotel? Hotel's being evacuated? Yeah, I know that. Head back to the hotel room ASAP. I'm not kidding. Go back to the hotel room. Angie. Angelina. Head back to the hotel room. If you can. Oh, good. Nothing's happening there? Okay, good. Stay there. It is mass chaos right now. I just got out of the dealer's room. I know that. Somebody pulled it. So they're telling everybody to stay away from the convention center. So I'm on the other side. This is mass chaos. So stay there. Don't leave the room. Who's there right now? Do-young? Okay. Tell Do-young I said specifically do not leave the room. Yeah, cause I'm trying to head over there right now. The Baltimore police and fire are already here. Yeah. The downtown Baltimore in the harbor is crazy right now. Okay. I'll call you when I try to get there. If they let me, okay? Bye-bye.
$1 on phone.
Thanks. We're trying to evacuate.
Let's go get in the shade over there.
The Tokyo Pop bus. Too bad I can't go because the freaking alarm is being pulled. I'm trying to get back to the hotel right now, so it is mass chaos, and I'm gonna give myself a second. It is hell out here. So this is we're trying to get back to the hotel as quickly as possible. It has been 12 minutes since the, about 12 to 15 minutes since somebody pulled the fire alarm. I'm in route back to the hotel. This is mass chaos here. I'm heading back to the hotel. I'm gonna try to go up if they let me. I'm going to the second floor. I'm gonna get another view of this. So this is massive chaos. This is the Sheridan right now. There's utter chaos right now. This is going to be the most interesting Otakon yet so far. I'm going across the street here.
Behind me, we're like, hey, can you take off
So here it is from afar. So there's mass chaos. Trying to cross the street here.
Go!
I'm gonna cut here real quick. I'm gonna try to get a clip of the evacuation on Sky Bridge. So I'm gonna cut now.